Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna use the MagicPath Chrome extension to pick up sections from my favorite websites, and then I'm gonna bring them inside MagicPath and I'm gonna create my own website with my personal style. So let's get started. Okay, so if you want to use the Chrome extension, you can find a link in the description below. Now let's get started. So first I need some inspiration, and this is what I found. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. So let me put this on the right side, and I'm gonna start with this hero right here. So I'm gonna click on the extensions icon, then select the web capture HTML extension by MagicPath. And now I'm gonna click on select element. And as you can see, when I hover on a particular element, that element gets a box around it. So this means if you click on it, you will select it and you can copy it to MagicPath. So I'm gonna select this element right here and then click on copy component, go inside MagicPath, press Ctrl V, and then click on this icon, and it is it. Next, I'm gonna create a new component, go to the second section that I want to copy, and then again select the extension, click on select element, and then copy to clipboard, back to MagicPath, and so on. Now I'm gonna do the same with the third section, and let's make sure that we copy this section and not something else. Okay, paste it inside, but first let's create a new component actually. Paste it inside. So I'm thinking if to copy this one or this one. So maybe let's go with this one. Select element. And the other components, as you can see, they are already finished. So far so good. This is what we have. Nice. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna create a new component, mention combine is for components, and I'm gonna start to tag them. Start with the first one, then again type at, and then testimonials and footer. Okay, so we mentioned all 4 elements. Now I'm gonna click on this green icon. Okay, cool, so the website is finished. Now let's preview it and see how it looks like. Okay, we have this beautiful hero section right here. Then we have this stats, testimonials, and then we got this section, and then we also have a footer section. So far looks great. Now, of course, we need to make it look even better. Maybe I'm gonna even add a navbar. So let's actually look up for some navbar. So maybe this one actually. Now let's go back to MagicPath and say add this navbar to the top. Nice, so now we have a navbar. Now I'm gonna start to edit this website by clicking on the edit button right here. And the first thing I'm gonna change is this video, because of course we don't want to steal someone else's work. So I'm gonna select this div and then press delete to delete this. Then I'm gonna transform this from a solid color to a image. And next I'm gonna select an image from my computer. So okay, so this looks very good, I like it. Next, let's make sure that we have a different color for this button, black, and then the text is gonna be white. This looks nice. Delete the radius, and let's add a 10 pixel padding for the top, because right now it looks like it's misaligned. So now it looks better. Okay, this looks nice. What else should we change? Maybe these cards right here don't look great, so I'm gonna switch from a radius of 16 pixels to 0. Now I'm gonna also change this image because we need something else, and I'm gonna use this Mona Lisa image, which looks very cool. And also let's change this to make it pop, and this I'm gonna change to get started. Maybe let's change this color button to black, and this text color I'm gonna make it black as well. So this looks nice. Now let's see what else should we change. Maybe some padding here of 80 pixels, and why not align this to the left? Maybe it looks better. So let's click on flex, then select the vertical alignment, and then align it to the left. Select this text, align it to the left, this one as well, and now it looks better, I think, right? So let's save this and see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna click to open it in a new tab, and this looks very, very cool. Okay, so I see that there is one thing that we have to change, which is this logo right here. So I'm gonna close this tab again, and then let's go to edit once again, select this logo right here, and then let's change to image and use a different logo. So I added this logo right here. Okay, this looks very cool. And let's also change this sign up button right here, because we have a radius, and on the top button we don't have any radius. And maybe let's make it this one also a rectangle instead of a pill button. I think now looks better. Okay, and change this to 62. All right, now looks good. I'm gonna click on save. Okay, I forgot actually to try to edit this image right here. So I'm gonna once again select this image, and then let's make sure that instead of cover, it's contain. And now we can see the full image. So I'm gonna click on save, and voila guys, that is how our website looks like. I kind of like it. I think there is still some improvements needed, but overall I think that the MagicPath extension did a great job by trying to copy these elements from the web, and in just a few minutes I edited everything to my own style. So this is how you can use this extension, and again you can find a link in the description below to the extension and also to this file. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.